Okay, welcome back to the final part of our floor plan drawing. So in this video we're going to be adding the dimensions and printing out on paper. So let's get into the video. So let's add our dimensions. So for adding our dimensions, let's click there. We create a new layer. Let's create a new layer. Click on layers, then add layer. So let's say dimensions, mention like that, enter. So the dimension is there. Let's add color to our dimension. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Let's choose yeah, okay, that one. Then okay, then we can close. So let's go now on annotation there, and let's go on standard. This is where we make our dimension. I'm going to go with standard. If you want, you can create a new one, but most likely I go with standard. So I can just modify here and change some parameters or distances if you want to make it bigger. So let's go on text. So go on okay, let's go on fit. So on fit there you can go on overall scale. Overall scale, I would like it to be 7. Okay, let's go with 9. Okay, let's go with 9 like that. Then let's go on text. There on text, I would like it to change the height. That's the height is too. Let's put the height on 19. Okay. Then there we can go with standard, the block like that, the coloring center. If you want them to be horizontal here, you can play around horizontal like that. Just going to be horizontal. If you want them to be aligned like that, and the lines, you can change something. Then you can just go with what you like. Then you can go there on the line width. Then you can put there the type that you want. You can go with 0.0 millimeters. Look, yeah, that one. I would go with 0.8 millimeters like that. Okay, then you can just go on okay, then close like that. So we have selected our dimensions. Then just go there, then point there to that point. For example, there to there, I'll do that like that. Oh, didn't change the color. Let's go to dimensions, the one we made. Okay, and that exit. You can just delete that one, then go on dimension there. Then we can start making now our dimensions. So click there to there like that. So from there to there, we're going to have that distance like that. Then again from, let's click on enter for the previous command. Just click enter to start the previous command, and there to there. Let me do this. Just go on enter. I'll go there Okay, there, you see, there to there, like that. Okay, then again let's get the dimension for the window. That window there to there, you can get to do that. Then again enter the previous command, and from there to there, like that. Okay, then enter again. Let's get now the entire distance from there to there. Put it there like that. Okay, so let's zoom in. Let's press enter, then I'll go from there to there, like that. Then again enter, I'll go from there to there, like that. Again zoom in, enter, there to there, enter, there to there, and again enter, there to there, again enter, there to there, that. Again can press enter. I'm going to take that distance from there to there. Okay, then I want you to delete this and that and that, then just press on delete like that. Then go on dimension, then go there to there. Okay, again press enter, there to there, like that. Again press enter, there to there, like that. Then press enter again, get that dimension from there to there. Okay, after that you can get the dimensions from there, press on enter. That one is very important, there to there. Again, just like that. And press on enter. Let's get this one from there to there. Okay, enter again from from there to there. Again, press on enter. Get that one from there to there for the door. Enter. There to there. Enter. There to there. Enter. There to there. Again, press on enter. There to there. Enter again. Enter. Enter. There to there, like that, and we are done with our dimensioning. We are done now with our dimensioning. Let's go back to our, we are done with our dimensioning. So the next thing now is to print out. Where did this come from? Okay, let's print out. Okay, so I want you to go on this layer, the first layer. Okay, now the next thing is to print out. First, let me check my layers to see if they are on. I want you to click on this one, the dimensioning. Just click there so that there is the same color like that. Then close. Then go to this layer. Okay, so this is where you print out from. So now let's print out. Let's do that. Okay, on layer 2 like that. So let's add, for me personally I like adding templates to these things. So let's just go on templates there. Then I'll select the title block. I'll go with that one, then click on open, go on OK, like that. So we have our title block that side there. So this is where I'm going to put now my drawing. So I want you to go there on layer, click on layout there, yeah, then go there on where it says rectangular, like that. Then I want you to start from where it's the dotted line is, like that. You see that line? Doesn't have to be perfect, like that. You zoom out, then you go to the other one, so like that. Something there anyway. Okay, like that. Okay, you see, now we have our drawing there. So just double click like that. Since it's too big, like that, still too big. Okay, just leave it like that. So now let's print out our drawing. So go there on print, then continue to plot over there. Then there you can select the type of paper that you want. From here you can select the type of paper there. So let's go, we want to take it now to PDF. So this is in GWG there to PDF format. Okay, let's select the paper now. I always use millimeters, so let's go to the A4. So I'll go with A4. Okay, I'll go with A3. A3 is fine. Okay, A3 or A1 there. I'll go with A2. So I want it to be like that. You see, like that. Okay, so I'm going to be printing it in landscape. So there it has to be centered. We should turn on the center. Can fit to paper like that. Okay, print extent, that's fine over there. Then there the quality is also fine. Okay, then go on OK. Then there you can try to save it whatever you want. Let's say YouTube, like that. Then just click on save. So there it has started processing. So just take a few seconds. If your computer is very fast, it takes a very few seconds otherwise. So then you are done printing out. Voila. So that's my drawing on paper form. You see, it's there. That's my drawing. There, the YouTube drawing, as you can see. You can see that. You can also print it out in black and white. So let's go for black and white. Let's go in black and white. So let's just go there and print out again. Continue. Then do everything like that. Continue there. GWG to PDF. The type of paper AF. I continue then A2 like that. Fits to scale. Okay, you turn it on. Then go on there where it says none. Plot style. How you go on monochrome. That's where you just select the monochrome. Then it's going to go in black and white and go on OK like that. There you can say let me delete that and type YouTube 2 like that. Then just go on save. Then it will run it. Then this time it's going to print it out in black and white. And there you go. Now it's in black and white. You see, black and white. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.